Hello everyone, Drew Campbell here, CEO and co-founder of the Global Performance Nutrition Institute, aka the GPNi. We are the proud and exclusive partners of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, aka the ISSN. I have been in this amazing sports nutrition industry now for over 2.5 decades. I have grown multiple companies in multiple countries in sports nutrition. From manufacturing to product development to retail to online and even now in a new company in sports nutrition and protein ingredients. I kind of know a thing or two when it comes to growing a career in sports nutrition. At the GPNi, we like to offer more than just a piece of paper when it comes to qualifications and certification, but an ability to leverage that qualification and ultimately upgrade who you are and define your edge. Welcome to the GPNi. Follow the link below where you can get a free trial offer to our Level 1, PNE Level 1 plus SNS double international certification. There's no obligation to sign up. It's absolutely free where you can try before you buy. Again, welcome to the GPNi. I'm Drew Campbell, CEO and co-founder of the GPNi, and I look forward to seeing you